What's up, guys? Welcome to Form Trends and welcome to a beautiful spring day in London. Actually, it is a beautiful spring day, but there is a cloud looming over us. Of course, I'm speaking about the coronavirus, and that's something that's affected us all worldwide, globally. We're having to contend with this huge, unprecedented event that's basically taking a lot of lives, causing a hell of a lot of uncertainty, and really forcing us to stay put and stop the progress of this really incredible disease and virus. In light of what's happening right now in the world, it's causing me to kind of reevaluate certain things that are happening in my life. And I'm looking back at what it is that I've done in these last 8 years since I founded Form Trends and started building it up back in 2012 and 13. And I really want to do something a bit different with this channel. So I really want to step up the way that I impart information, and I want to do that through this channel. I've been in this business for 15 years almost, and I really think that I have something that's quite unique to impart, be it to a new designer looking to enter the industry or someone that's seasoned and professional and has some experience in it. I've always been passionate about the automotive industry and design in particular, which is why I do this. I've also always enjoyed helping people, answering questions. Back in 2012, I started a website just to prove that I could do it, and I did, all on my own. Form Trends was and continues to be a one-man show. Then I started YouTube back in 2013, and really it started out as just a way for me to get some video content up, some interviews with designers, and show the latest vehicles that they were working on, the concept cars, the production cars, and get them to tell you their design story. It was mostly interviews, a few walkarounds, new car launches. A lot of people have shared their design stories with me and talked to me about their briefs and the design processes. I've done my best to share a lot of the information I've gleaned through the articles I've written and published on Form Trends, but there are a lot of things that I haven't covered yet. Questions that you may have as an aspiring designer or somebody that's already mid through their career. So I have a lot of information that I want to share, and I want to do that through a series of videos. I'm going to touch on certain subjects that will be certainly valuable, I hope, to the younger crop of designers, people that are coming out of school, but also to those that are perhaps mid-level in their career, perhaps even some senior and seasoned executives within the design industry. At the same time, I'm going to share my opinion of things and continue to create the content that I think is useful and relevant. So, if anything, the coronavirus pandemic has really put things into perspective for me, allowed to see things in a new light. And I'm going to be moving forward with basically a new vision, if you will, one that I'm continuously defining as I go along, but hopefully one that once the storm clears and the dust settles, we can really move forward in earnest with. In the meanwhile, I hope you'll join me on this adventure over the next few weeks and months as I put out some content that I hope will be relevant, as well as some older stuff that I never really got around to editing, and that's sitting over there on the back burner. So, on that note, many thanks for sharing a part of your day with me, and if you have any comments, suggestions, opinions, whatever it is that you want to impart, please do so in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you. I always do this for the viewer and the reader in mind. So if at any point you have any feedback, I do really welcome that. And I look forward to hearing from you. So please like, subscribe, hit that button, whatever, do the things, and see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.